Hello YouTube fans, it's Saul. I'm doing something different. I'm doing a pack opening on PES 2017. I'm doing it on my own because it's my Xbox 360. So, PES 2017, I mean, the last one I got, I wasn't recording a pack opening. I should have started it. I opened one pack for the sake of it, and somehow it was the Champions League one. Somehow I managed to get Iniesta. So don't ask me how, but I managed to get Andres Iniesta 89 weighted in a black ball. So in my club it's Liverpool FC Challenge. Liverpool FC Challenge. So I could get a pack with a Liverpool player in. So you never know, but let's see how we do. The first ever pack opening I've done, I'm hoping it goes well. So, actually no, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hold the phone, hold the camera. Oh Christ. Intermittence, 1 second. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We can now start the pack opening. Liverpool FC Challenge, and maybe the Champions League Challenge as well. So, oh look at that, 500 GP for the first day. Play ones. You get GP and something or anything when you go on to my club. Top agent. Let's have a look, see if we can get any good players on this. So I've got 56,000 G to play with, and about 900 coins. So I could open about 5, 6, 7. I'm going to open 7 packs, unless any of them are free. So challenges. Turn up the sound. Let's pay with GP first. Off we go. Okay. And go. And we get it's a silver. There was a golden one and a bloody black one. Danny Ings. Will he go anywhere in the squad though? That's the question. $75 Benassi can go. Bye bye. So Danny Ings is here. Oh dear. Okay, let's open another one, and we'll do the coin pack this time. Oh, we get a gold! We get a gold! This is a good one. Obviously it's going to be a good one, is it? Who is it? Looks bald. It's Matias Pereira. Oh my God. 80 weighted right back. I know I'd rather have, but let's have a look at this. I mean, I've got Sabaleta in right back, who's 88. He won't go anywhere in the pack, will he? Oh, he will if I take out the 77 left LMF. Yes, right, he's added to the squad. And I think what we'll do, we'll just open the top agent, because I'm in desperate need of goalkeepers, or need a goalkeeper, or scout. Top agent, let's have a look at this then. Silly little bloody 20 7G. Let's open this one. We only have 2.5% chance of getting the black, but let's see if my luck begins. Of course, there's more silvers than gold and black, so let's hope we can get a gold at least. Select. Off we go. Yes, gold. Right, wear one. Yeah, it's Sergio Asenjo. He's not a bad keeper, would you believe? He's 81 weighted from some ED yellow club. I don't know what team it is. Would he replace Warchester, doesn't he? Yes, he does. Replaces Warchester, doesn't he? And goes up to a 90 weighted squad. Sergio Asenjo. Let's have a look here. They're all 2.8%. So we will go to the Champions League one. Let's see if we can get anyone in the Champions League. We have about 5 or 6 packs left to open. So let's do a My Club Coins one. Off we go. And there's lots of golds and there's a few silvers. Can we get a gold at least or a silver? No, it's a silver. That is cack. Who is it? It's obviously not a good one. Oh, wow. It's Jesus Corona, who's a Mexican player for FC Porto. I think he might fit in the squad, but then again he might not. So, let's have a look. No. Yes. Yeah, there you go. Off goes Danny Drinkwater. So he fits in the squad. Hey, my packs have actually been useful for the squad. Up to a 91 now. I know the packs haven't been good, but there's no empty player slots. Right, increase player slots. Oh, 21 coins. When I have... so I've now got 400 coins. Let's have a look. A gold, please, at least. And if we get a black, I will be absolutely fantastic. And we get a black. It's a black. It's a black. Come on. Who's this rare one? Who is it? Oh, it's a striker. It's a striker. Who is it? Oh, no. It's NEYMAR. It's yes. Look who it is. Oh my God, I'm so glad I filmed this. I've got NEYMAR 90 weighted. Oh my God. NEYMAR, look at his hairstyle. He looks like Sonic the Hedgehog with white hair. FC Barcelona, Brazilian. 174 centimetre height, 24, prolific winger, NEYMAR, 90 weighted, level 30. Oh, please, look at these stats. 97 dribbling, a 95 ball control, 93 control, that's body, and 92 explosive. Oh, now he will match with Andres Iniesta if I can get him in. Please tell me I can get him in. Oh, you are joking. No, you are having a laugh. Ah, oh, you are joking. Oh, what? Okay, add to my club. Add to my club members. Right. If I can't put him in the squad, I'll put him in my club members. That is fantastic. That pack. Oh, woohoo! And I'll do another GP pack. This is the only pack opening I'm doing until I get loads more GP and more coins. Can we get a black this time? Here we go. We get... Oh, it's a silver. It could be someone decent. It's not. It's Van Beek. 76 centre back. He might. Oh well. Wernbloom. It's the same weighting, so that'll do. At least I've got Neymar. Oh my god! Wow, I got Iniesta. Unfortunately, I didn't get. I'm sad I didn't get Messi or anyone else, but Neymar and Iniesta, that is a good one. I didn't film Iniesta, unfortunately, because I didn't know I was going to get it. So, here we go, another pack at Champions League. 2 packs left. Let's go. Oh, are you joking? I get a silver and there's a black white next to it, and that is crap. Kieran Trippier of Tottenham Hotspurs. Add to my club members, I'll keep him then. Oh, I'm gutted. Last pack of the day. Last pack of today. It's been a fantastic video, fantastic pack opening with the first one. Can we end it on a black? And if we can, I will be delirious. Off we go. Off. Are you having a laugh? It's Van der Heyden. I can sell him now. But anyways, ladies and gentlemen, that has actually been a fantastic first pack opening for me. I've never done a pack opening. And I haven't got enough money to do one on FIFA. I think I might be able to do one on FIFA 14, but because I've got about 15,000 coins or something. But to be fair, we've done well there. We've done well. If I show you. This is PES 2017, PES 2018 and FIFA 18 are coming out on Xbox 360, which is good. So that's, I think I might buy someone from the loan contract. Mm-hmm. 10 matches. Well, I know what that. David Luiz, thank you. And I'll pay with the My Club coins. I've got 150 left. Now down to 40. Oh, I wonder who we get from here. No. It's the hairbush himself. It's David Luiz, 82 weighted. Maybe because I've just signed him on loan. I was just told for... Right back to where I can go. I can put the reason there. So let's just have a look at these My Club members things. Oh my. This is the summary of the pack opening. I'm starting to get as good as Watershaw. Yeah. I'll only be a second. My Club members. Let's have a look at this. Squad list. Unbelievable. This is unbelievable. Look at that. Neymar, Iniesta, Pablo Zabaleta was already in squad. PK, Otamendi, Gaspar, Hulk. Look at all these. Till we go down to all the crap ones at like 60 and 50 weighted. The lowest one I've got is 57 weighted. And then of course the better ones than that. So that's it for your pack opening. It's the first ever pack opening I've actually done, and I'm actually really pleased. I'm really pleased with that pack opening. That has been the most successful one I've ever done, and it's the first one as well. But ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today, and I will see you again for another video. Till then, I'm Down Johnson. What a night it's been. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the transfer video tonight because of difficulties with guests. So I will transfer it to a different night. Okay, right, we will see you again for another video. Bye!